Good morning, everyone. Today we have a pleasure of speaking with Derry, an English teacher at Melati Kindergarten. Derry has been teaching English to young learners for several years and has a wealth of experience in early childhood language education. Thank you for joining us today, Derry.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
To start, could you tell us a little about your background and how you become an English teacher at Melati Kindergarten?
Certainly, I have always had a passion for a language and education. I study English and literature at university and later pursued a teaching certification. I start my career teaching older students, but I found my true calling in early childhood education. Teaching young children is incredibly rewarding, and I joined Melati Kindergarten because its commitment to fostering a love for learning in a nurturing environment.
That's wonderful. Can you share with us some of the methods you use to teaching English to young children?
Absol- Absolutely. At Melati Kindergarten, we focus on making learning fun and engaging. We use a lot of song, games, and storytelling to introduce a new vocabulary and concept. Young children learn best through play, so we incorporate a lot of interactive activity that encourage them to use English in natural and enjoyable way. We also use visual aids and props to make the lesson more dynamic and memorable.
How do you assess the progress of your student in learning English?
Assessment at this level is more about observation and interaction rather than formal testing. We look at how children use English in their daily activity, their willingness to participate in English conversation, and their ability to understand and follow instruction. We also have a regular feedback session with a parent to discuss their child progress and any area that might need additional support.
In your opinion, what are the benefits of learning English at a young age?
Learning English at a young age has numerous benefits. It's helped children develop better cognitive skills, such as problem solving and critical thinking. It also enhances their ability to learn additional language in the future. Moreover, being bilingual or multilingual can open up more opportunity for them in the globalized world. Early exposure to English also helps children become more culturally aware and sensitive to diversity.
How do you see the development of foreign language education in Indonesia, particularly English?
Foreign language education in Indonesia has been growing steadily. English in particular is become more integrated into the curriculum at various educational levels. There is a strong emphasis on English proficiency due to its importance in international communication and business. However, there are still challenges such as access to quality resource and training teacher, especially in rural area. I believe that with continued investment and support, Indonesia can further enhance its foreign language education.
What challenge do you face in teaching English to young learners and how do you overcome them?
One of the main challenges is keeping the children engaged and motivated. Young learners have short attention spans, so it's crucial to keep the lesson lively and varied. We overcome this by constantly introducing new activity and theme. Uh, Another challenge is addressing the diverse learning needs of each child. We try to provide personalized attention and adapt our teaching method to suit the different learning style.
Finally, what advice would you give to parents who wants to support their children English learning at home?
I would encourage parents to create an English-rich environment at home. This can be done by reading English stories together, watching educational English program, and playing language games. It's also important to be patient and supportive, celebrating small achievements to build the child confidence. Consistency is the key. So try to incorporate English into daily routines in a fun and relaxed manner.
Thank you very much, Derry, for sharing your insight and experience with us today. It's been a pleasure to talking to you.
Uh, Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure to share my passion for teaching English with you.
Hello, my name is Jakir Haris Abdullah. I will present interview with Derry English teacher at Melati Kindergarten experience and method in early childhood English education. Derry is an English teacher at Melati Kindergarten with a strong background in English literature. His journey into teaching began with a passion of language and education, which led him to pursue a teaching certification. Initially, he took older students, but soon discovered his true calling in early childhood education. His experience and dedication have made him an integral part of Melati Kindergarten, where he contributes to fostering a love for learning in nurturing environment. Teaching method in Melati Kindergarten, fun and engaging learning, use of song, games, and storytelling, interactive activity for natural English usage. Assessing progress at Melati Kindergarten, assessing the progress of young learners in English is primarily based on observation and interaction rather than formal testing. Teachers focus on how children use English in their daily activities, their willingness to engage in English conversation, and their ability to understand and follow instruction. Regular feedback session with parents and also conducted to discuss child's progress and identify any area that might require education support, ensure a comprehensive approach to language development. Polygon language Indonesia, Polygon language education in Indonesia. Polygon language education in Indonesia has been a steadily advancing, with English become increasingly integrated into the curriculum across various education level. This integration underscore the importance of English proficient in international communication and business. However, challenges remain particularly in ensuring to quality resource and trained teacher, especially in rural areas. Continued investment and support are crucial for overcoming this obsession and future enhance the quality of foreign language education in the country. Challenge and solution keep the children engaged and motivated. Adapting teaching the methods to diverse learning needs. Advice for parents: create an English-rich environment. Be patient and supportive. Celebrate small achievement. Read a storybook. Watch educational program. Play language game. Conclusion: in this interview, dari an English teacher at Melati Kindergarten share his experience and teaching methods focused on early childhood English education. With a background in English literature and teaching certification, Derry found his calling in early childhood education, where he channeled his passion for language and teaching. At Melati Kindergarten, he employ fun and interactive learning approach. Use songs, game, and storytelling to introduce new vocabulary and concept. Student progress is assessed through observation and interaction, emphasizing the use of English in daily activities and participation in conversation. Derry highlights the benefit of learning English at young age, such as cognitive skill development and cultural awareness. While foreign language education in Indonesia is facing challenge lack access to quality resource and trained teacher persist, especially in rural areas. They also discuss the challenge of keeping young learners engaged and adapting teaching method to diverse learning needs. He advised parents to create an English-rich environment at home and support the children learning in fun and consistent manner. Thank you.